Hello, welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is cheesy oven baked pumpkins. As normal, the fullest ingredients are on screen now. Okay, the first thing you do for this recipe is cut the top off the medium small sized pumpkins and scoop out the middle. Go on girl, you can do it. When you've done it, you should have something that looks like this. Next, grate the cheese. We're using Gruyere, but you can use anything you like, and place in the cavity of the pumpkins, as you see here. Don't push the cheese down too hard into the pumpkins. You want room for the double cream to go into. Then salt and pepper to taste, but remember the cheese is salty. Then a generous grating of nutmeg, and then it's in with the double cream. And my advice here is don't skimp on the double cream. Then when this is done, put the pumpkin lids back on the pumpkins and it's off to 180 degrees C oven for at least an hour until it's cooked through. And there you have it, a lovely winter warming recipe. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe. And feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.